That's how you can be successful in this job. Of course, you want to know what you get paid with this. Now, again, when I was starting out, and I did check these figures a couple of years ago, a doctor should still be able to get between $150,000 to $200,000 as a base as an associate equity analyst, and most likely get a bonus between $500,000 and $50,000 and $100,000, typically paid out at the end of the year, and what goes with good performance. That's just your starting point. You want to move up to what's called a senior equity analyst. When your pay goes higher, you have more responsibilities. Your pay can go up to $300,000 to $500,000 at that point. And then the ultimate is you want to become what's called a managing director, where you're the one who is the person that's one who is responsible and overseeing the reports that are being produced. And there, the average person who's the managing director will typically earn between $500,000 to $800,000 a year. A good managing director, senior analyst, can earn $1 million plus, and if they're really good and if they're in the right sector like biotech, they can make $2 to $4 million. And then I was learning recently that you may even get a contract, which was not common in my time, where you have some more job security. In general, the income upside, you can make more money, is higher on the buy side, but so is the risk, because if the fund that you're recommending buys and sells for doesn't do well, then you could be out of a job. But on the sell side, usually your job security is a little bit greater, but you may not make quite as much money, but still very good pay.